someone cares, and their lives will be stronger and free. 'Cause God has shown us by turning stone to bread,
And so we all must lend a helping hand.
we are the world, we are the children, we are the ones that make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Whoa, there's a choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. Here's to we make a better day, just you and me. When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all. But if you just believe,